Wagwan Massive. You don't know say I your girl Whitney.
You don't know say I your boy Jesse.
And welcome back to our channel. Today guys, we are going to be doing the 7-second challenge. So we're just gonna be throwing out some random things to do, and the person has to get it done in 7 seconds. Alright? So of course I'm going first because I'm Queen Bee. Yeah.
Sure.
So when I say go first, me first, I tell you what to do, you know. So I'm gonna tell him what to do first, guys. Alright. So my first thing is so the first thing that I want you to do is to find something with the color red. The color red. Okay. You got 7 seconds to do it after I start counting. Okay?
Okay. Alright.
So I'm gonna start counting now. 7, 6, 5.
Red, right here.
4.
Right here, red. You counting way too slow, too. Okay, you gotta count faster.
How is that slow?
My first thing that you are gonna do, you have to say the last 10 of the alphabets backwards. Go. 7, 6,
Z
5, 4,
Y X W
3, 2, 1. Wrong.
Not no fear. Not no fear. Not no fear. Not no fear. First of all. Yeah, no.
See how I did that? I think you don't try to think about it. You gotta start. Chop chop right there.
Whatever. Alright, where is it?
So
you're making me mad, but whatever. My next thing for you to do is to try to touch your nose with your tongue in 7 seconds. Starting now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, no cheating. 1, 0. You lose. You lose.
that's funny. Okay. All right. You ready?
Yes.
All right. Her next challenge is going to be she has to do 10 push-ups in 7 seconds. Let's go. 7, 6,
2,
5,
3,
4,
5, 6,
2,
7,
1.
8,
That is not
9,
a push-up.
10.
I don't know what that is, but it's not a push-up.
I'll push up that up. Me, I'll push my bottom.
That's a hump.
I'll push up.
You humping the ground.
Yeah, lucky. I might push up that. I'ma do it.
Oh, okay.
I'ma do it. I don't
still missed it. So
but don't miss it.
Let's go.
I might push up.
Good turn. Good turn.
Alright. So the next thing I want you to do is to chug a glass of juice in 7 seconds. One of the to get the beer glass.
Alright.
Alright, starting now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show them how much you drink.
Not much.
You lose.
That's right. Alright.
Your next
Ready?
one.
Alright, your next challenge is you have to name 3 animals that start with the letter C
Cat.
in 7 seconds. 7.
Cat,
6,
crocodile,
5,
and camel.
4, 3. What?
Camel, crocodile, and cat.
Cool. You got 1. Your turn.
I won, nigga.
Your turn.
Alright. My next challenge is you gotta name 3 countries with the letter Z. Right? So let me start my timer. Starting now.
3 countries?
6, yes. 5.
Start with Z?
4, 3, 2, 1.
What country start with Z?
Zimbabwe,
Oh,
Zambia, or something like that.
that's a country?
That is a country. It's in Africa.
I don't know. Never heard of those.
Oh well, you lost. Go ahead. Your turn.
Alright. Alright. 4th thing's gonna be you have to eat this whole hot dog bun. 7 seconds.
Starting.
Ready? Start. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bird chase, but still. Alright guys, so my next one is, I know I'm not gonna know that one here. He has to go in my makeup pouch and find my brush that I use to conceal my eyebrows. So, starting now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, you kind of win. You find the right one the first time, either.
This one?
It's two of them. It's a white one and it's this black one. So he won. You got this one. That's surprising. I didn't. You guessed that, didn't you?
Yep.
I'm pretty sure you did. All right, come with your one.
So my next one, you got 7 seconds to put your foot behind your head. Go. Come over here, son. I go this way. Go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fail.
So my next one is he has to list 3 of my favorite Jamaican artists. Starting now. 7,
Next to that,
6,
Vibes Cartel.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Stinker.
1. Who?
Sika Ribs. Sika Rhymes? How you say it?
Hell to the no. To the no, no, no.
You don't like Sika Rhymes?
No.
Oh.
First of all, one is Dexter Dobbs, the second one is Massacre, and the third one is Movado. I love Vibes Cartel too, but he's not my favorites. So.
Alrighty, next one is 7 seconds to name 5 U.S. presidents. Go.
Donald Trump,
7,
Obama,
6,
Ronald Reagan,
5,
Bush,
4,
freaking
3, 2.
Lincoln.
Alright, let's go.
Bam. Alright, so my next one is to name 3 of my favorite. See if I can get it this right, this wrong. 3 of my favorite, all-time favorite stores that I like to shop at.
Okay.
7,
Aldo, Macy's,
5,
and
4. Hold on. Me I count wrong and you are wrong something. Alright, so me I can start over the counting because I say 5, I say 7, then I say 5. Come now. Alright. 7.
Oh, Aldo,
6,
Macy's,
5,
and,
4,
what is that?
3,
I forgot the other
2,
Walmart.
1. You said Walmart. Walmart is my favorite place to shop. Wow.
I was trying to think of the shoe place on
What shoe place?
that big shoe place over there by Fountain Below.
No. So
That's not
my
one of your
favorite
favorite
is You got Aldo right this time because last video you didn't get it right. I like Michael Kors and I like Coach.
That's them stores?
Yeah,
Or
they are
brands?
stores. They're
Oh,
brands and
brands.
they're stores. Okay, I'll give you Macy's because I like to go to Macy's too. I'll give you Macy's, but you didn't get Walmart. Out of all things, Walmart.
I couldn't think of them.
Really?
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright. She has 7 seconds to name 2 books. Go. 7.
Charlotte's Web,
6,
Harry Potter.
5. Oh.
For my next one, you have to do 7 pump squats in 7 seconds.
7 thumbs squats, okay.
Yep. Starting now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I don't know what it was. I don't even count.
You lost. You didn't get it.
I think that was like.
Because you took like
6.
2 seconds to do 1. So obviously that wasn't going to work. But your turn.
Alrighty. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yes.
Alright. She has 7 seconds to do 1 burpee. I'm not
I
telling her
can't
what
do
it
no
is neither,
burpee.
so you gotta figure out what it is. If you don't know, too bad. Go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just one. You only have to do one birthday.
Oh, I did it.
You got it.
Yes, of course, me gonna get that. I spend enough time at the gym with you. I'll do 7 seconds to find something with the color green.
Okay.
Starting now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Green in there.
No green in that. I blew that.
That's green right there.
Move, Mr.
It's a palm tree.
That no count.
That counts. It's a palm tree. Oh, it's too bright. I can't even see it.
That don't count,
But
Jessie.
that's
Just
green.
don't want something off of green, you know.
It's green. Nope, it's green in there. You ain't say that.
I did.
Boom. There it is. All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So now she has 7 seconds to touch her nose with her toe.
That's
Yeah,
easy.
perfect here. That's it, Corey. Ready? Go. 7, 6. Oh, okay, got it.
I feel stupid doing that. Alright, this is something we know you can't go do because your arm them. My dear can't do it now because you're slim down, but make we see. He has 7 seconds, guys, to scratch his own back. He gotta scratch it like this. I know he ain't gonna be able to do it because his arms are like.
Oh, I can do it. It's
Big.
only whenever I
Do
don't
it.
work out. It's hard.
Do it.
All right.
Do it. 7, 6, 5. Okay, so I'm gonna say 4, 3. Not so. So you have to you have to use your hand. Let me touch up here. I know you can do that.
That's hard.
Fat ass. All right, me catch up on that one day. You're a window.
All right. She has 7 seconds to find something purple. 7, 6, 5, 4. That's blue.
This is purple.
That's blue.
Mommy, what color this? Purple.
That's blue.
This is purple, you blind bat. It's purple. It's not no blue.
Is this blue or is it purple?
That's purple.
You guys, let us know what you think. This is blue.
That's purple.
This is blue.
It's purple, babe. So, guys, for my next one, this is a quarantine edition. He has to put on 3 pairs of gloves in 7 seconds.
3 pairs?
3 pairs.
Huh?
Starting now. 7, 6,
Dry as heck.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really? Really, dude? You couldn't put on a pair of gloves, not even 1 pair?
They too dry.
You done bust the glove?
See?
Wow.
Alright. She has 7 seconds to lotion my back. Alright. Alright, ready? Hold on. Wait till I go.
You just want your back lotion.
Yep, ready? Wait. 3. Wait, you gotta let the camera see.
Okay, they see it.
Alright, go. 7, 6, 4, let's go.
You the one who wants your back lotion. It's cold.
There you go.
Alright guys, wanna see how the video go? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And comment down below in this video and let us know what you think about this one. And if you guys have any suggestions, don't be afraid to leave that also in the comment section. And guys, thank you so much for letting us get to 139 subscribers.
Yep.
Yeah. We on our way to 150 and we're doing good so far.
By this Sunday.
We appreciate it. So this Sunday, our goal is 150, guys. So help us get there. Till next time.
Stay tuned for more.